Welcome to Eating for Life, a program that could change your life with easy-to-remember tips for being healthy and information about nutrition and exercise. Eating for Life is designed to help the growing number of people who may not be physically active or making healthy food choices. The Eating for Life program includes getting started with a healthy eating plan, reduce sodium intake, limit calories from added sugars and saturated fats, nutrition facts, food labels, healthy eating for children, grocery shopping, healthy restaurant choices, and physical activity. Many chronic diseases like cancer, cardiovascular disease, and type 2 diabetes are actually preventable. In fact, the major causes of death and disease in the United States are related to poor diet and physical inactivity. The good news is that making healthy food choices every day and getting regular exercise can help keep you healthy throughout your life. Are you ready to begin eating healthier and get moving with an exercise routine? Let's get started. For more wellness information, visit sentarahealthplans.com/mylifemyplan.